Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Ollama. I'm running it inside a Proxmox LXC container, but you can also install it locally on your own system. First, copy the link from the description and run the command to install Ollama. If you don't have curl installed yet, make sure to install it first. Then, wait for the download to finish. Once that's done, check if Ollama is active by typing systemctl status Ollama. Next, sign in with Ollama Sign-In. A browser window will open. Just create an account or log in if you already have one. Then click on Connect Device. After that, open the Models menu in the top left corner and choose one your hardware can handle. For this demo, I'll use 3.18b. Now pull your chosen model with Ollama Pull version. Make sure your device has enough space. My LXC container needed around 30 gigabits for everything. When the download is done, start it with Ollama Run version. You can now test it with a few prompts to see how fast your AI runs. As you can see on my system, it's actually using less than I expected. If you don't want to use the terminal all the time, I'll show you how to integrate Ollama into OpenWebUI, which gives you a clean ChatGPT-style interface. First, install Docker. The link and commands are in the description. Press Y to confirm the installation. Then check if Docker is running properly with sudo systemctl status docker. Now we'll install OpenWebUI in Docker. Again, the command is in the description. After it starts, create your administrator account using the port shown by Docker. For me, that's 8080. But it might change in the future. Once you're logged in, click on your profile in the top right, open the admin panel, go to Settings, then Connections. And change the Ollama API from Docker host internal to localhost. Click Save. Ollama should now appear in the top right corner, and you're ready to go. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.